Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to design a monogram logo. If you watch this video full, you can draw any letters in this shape, so make sure to watch carefully to the end, and then write in the comments section the most valuable information that you find in this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So let's start the video. First take rectangle tool, and draw a rectangle like that. Now give it outline stroke. Select the rectangle, and take add anchor point tool. Add anchor middle of the rectangle top. Take move tool, and select middle anchor. Make the anchor lift upwards like this. Now take ellipse tool, and draw a circle. Copy the circle by hold Alt. Now select to circle, and make it middle align center. Select all objects, and take shape builder tool, and remove the extra parts like that. Do it carefully. Now join all. For that, go to Object, and select Path, and then click Join. Okay, that's fine. Now take Line Segment tool, and draw a line. Copy the hold Alt, and for more copy, hold Ctrl and pressing D. Take 8 lines because I draw 2 letters. For every letter, you need to draw 4 lines. Select the lines, and group it. Copy the lines, and rotate it. Now place the shape in lines like that. Copy the shape, and make it smaller like that. Okay, that's good. Now select all objects, and take shape builder tool. Draw your letters over here. Do it carefully. Keep watching what I'm doing. Okay, that's good. Now select the letters, and move it from lines. Delete the lines. Now select G letter, and make it closer. Okay, that's look good. Now take rectangle tool, and draw a background. Make the logo white. So this is our today's logo. Important message, you can draw others' letter on it. So thank you for your attention. I hope I helped with this video. So don't forget to comment with valuable information that you find it. Push the like button, and subscribe my channel if you didn't yet. See you in another video.